Life without you been feeling kinda strange. Well, I see that you're doing very well. You looking very well. I miss the way your perfume smell. I miss the way that you blowed up my line just to make sure that I'm feeling well.
Welcome back to my channel. I am kashiajabre, and today I'm going to be showing you guys how I install and style this hair. This hair was provided to me by Hurela hair, so thank you guys so much for sponsoring this video. But before we can hop into it, you guys already know what you have to do. You have to thumbs up this video and also comment down below and tell me what you guys want to see next. And also subscribe to my channel because my cash baby's lit. I'm lit, and if you subscribe, then you can be lit too, and that's on what? That's on period. So yeah, let's just get right into it. Okay, so I'm starting off with just a wig cap on my head. I'm not going to do the wig cap method for this video just because I just didn't feel like it was necessary. And now I'm going in with some powder that is close to my skin tone, and I'm just putting that all over the cap to mimic a scalp. Now you want to take your wig. This is the wig that they sent me. This is their 150 density 13x4 lace 24-inch body wave unit. It retails for about $295, but I will have a code for you guys, so make sure that you check out the description box. So yeah, this is the unit that they sent me. I did pluck and bleach the knots on this unit. I did actually film the plucking tutorial, but I did not like the quality when I was editing this video, so I decided to not include it in this video. But you guys will definitely be seeing that in the next video. For all of my new viewers, I will link a video in the top right corner just so that you guys can see how I have plucked and bleached the knots on previous units. And now I'm just clipping the hair back so that I can start to apply the lace glue all over my head. And I'm going to be using the Ghost Bond. I get it from Amazon. It's about $20, but you can get the smaller bottle for cheaper. And I just put that all around my forehead and just make sure that it's spread out and even. You want to be sure to make sure that you do not apply your wig until the glue has dried clear. And now I'm placing that unit right where I want it to be and using a comb to just push that into my scalp. Now I'm just taking my blow dryer and just going all around the lace again, making sure that everything is nice and set. Sometimes the glue is still a little bit tacky, so I like to go back in with some cool air and just make sure that everything is nice and dry. To make sure that everything is blending seamlessly, I'm going to go ahead and take that same powder that I used on the wig cap in the beginning of the video, and I'm going to put this all over the lace just to make sure that everything is the same color. Okay, so the next step is to go ahead and tie your hair back so that we can start clipping off all of this lace. So I'm using some shears, some very small shears, so that I can get as close to my skin as I can and make sure that all the lace is gone. It's kind of hard to do it when you have thicker scissors, so try to get some small ones. And some people prefer to cut their lace in a zigzag motion to make sure that it's undetectable. But with my installs, I don't necessarily have to do that because my installs are already seamless. So it's really up to you. It's optional, however you want to do it. But in my way, I just cut it straight. So after I've cut off all of that lace, if you are not a fan of baby hairs or edges, this is where you could just style your hair however and just go about your day. But I am a fan of baby hair, so I'm just going to be parting off a little section at the top of my head, and I'm going to be using some tweezers to thin out that piece of hair, just because on natural hairlines edges tend to be thinner. So I like to mimic that and take some tweezers and go in and pluck some of those hairs out. And then I'm going to follow up with some scissors and cut it in a diagonal motion. And then I'm going to curl them up and then swoop it. And I know it sounds like a lot, but you guys will see in the video that is very, very simple. So you guys can just watch and learn. Okay, so you guys could choose to be done here, but I have another optional step that I like to do just to make my installs look a little bit more natural. So what I'm going to be doing is just combing all the hair down, and then I'm going to layer the hair to make it look more natural. I feel like personally layers and weave just make it look more realistic than all one length, but it's all preference. It's up to you. This is completely optional if you want to do it or if you don't want to do it. But in my opinion, it just makes the wig look so much better. It looks healthier, the hair looks healthier, and it looks thicker in my opinion. So yeah, this is very much optional, but I'm just going down with the scissors and trying to feather it out. I really don't even know the term for what I'm doing because I've never went to cosmetology school or anything like that. I just kind of do what works for me. But whatever this motion is called, that's what I'm going to be doing on both sides of my head. And then that's pretty much it, y'all. That's all that I'm going to do to this hair. And as you guys have saw, I have not put any product on the hair itself. And it's so pretty and so flowy and so thick. Oh, also I'm going to bend it. I forgot. I bumped the ends. But other than that, that's pretty much it. I did not use any products on this hair, and I ended up keeping it in this hair for about a week. If you go to my Instagram, you can see in all the different ways that I styled this hair. So I really, really hope you guys enjoyed it. Let me know if y'all learned something. Also, DM me pics if you end up purchasing this unit on Instagram. And also, I don't know if a lot of you guys know this, but if you ever order hair from something that I promote and you don't feel like you got the best quality hair, or you just don't feel like you got the same hair that was in the video, just shoot me a DM. We can resolve that. I don't want you guys to ever feel like I'm scamming you guys, because in all reality, I do not have any control over the packages that they send out after I have already posted the video. But what I can do is do my best to problem solve and help you guys get to the bottom of it. And I have done it in a couple of other situations. So yeah, just let me know in the DMs if you guys feel like you guys have a problem with whatever. But yeah, that's pretty much it for this hair. This hair is completely gorgeous. I loved it so much. And I actually have it in right now and I don't want to take it out. But yeah, that's all, y'all. I'm done talking. Bye. Okay, so that pretty much concludes this tutorial. I really hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, you already know what to do. Thumbs up this video, comment down below and tell me what you guys want to see next, and also subscribe to my channel because my cash baby's lit. I'm lit, and if you subscribe, then you can be lit too, and that's on what? That's on period. Also, if you guys want to purchase this hair, I will have all the links in the description box. So yeah, you guys can go ahead and head there, but I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye!